Hey, Daniel Lopez with Empire Business Law, and today's 1 minute legal is going to be about commercial leases. Now, the biggest thing to keep in mind is that commercial leases are treated very different than residential leases. The biggest difference is that if let's say you go to court because there's a breach in the lease, in residential, the court kind of gives the tenant the benefit of the doubt, right? Pretty much judges and courts and the court system wants to make sure we don't have more homeless people than we already do, for the most part, right? When it comes to commercial leases, they treat you as a business owner. They treat you as someone who should have reviewed the lease, someone that entered that lease freely and did so making a business decision, and they offer you a lot less protections. So whenever you do enter into commercial lease as a business owner, please, please, please have an attorney review it. And obviously, yes, I'm an attorney, so I'm going to tell you to have attorneys do stuff. But the truth of the matter is, commercial tenants try to, commercial landlords try to get away with a lot of different stuff, right? And we've seen some pretty terrible leases in our time, leases that we would never recommend a tenant to get into, whether it be because of increases in rent over a period of years, whether it be to certain rights that clients might think they have, but they really don't have in the lease, even at things like making small changes and having to go through certain processes for those changes, right? I hate to say it, but some of the most difficult business owners we deal with happen to be landlords. And look, they have it hard themselves too, right? It's not the easiest thing to own a commercial property, but still, the point is, if you do have a commercial lease, have it reviewed, you'll be very much more happier for it later. If you ever have any questions about your commercial lease, feel free to contact Empire Business Law.